you can make 150,000 naira per month with this particular website. Okay, if you are in Africa, you can start making money with this website for free. Okay, so I will put you through how you can start making money from this website. I know that a lot of people here is that how can you be able to make money with this website? Okay, and then you are not going to spend a dime with this website, and I will show you how to make money from this website from the beginning, even as a beginner, for making money online. So what you just need to do is that you need to come to this website, which is vtuservice.com. Okay, so when you are in this website, what you just need to do is to click on the register. But for now, I will not register, but I will log in into my own account and put you through what I'm talking about on how you can start making 150,000 naira per month from this website. So I'll just click on the login now. So let me input my details. It authenticates me. As you can see, you say fund your wallet and every other things. So currently, I don't think I have much money in there. I don't have much money in there. So what I want to show you guys in this particular website is that a lot of people want to buy data, want to buy airtime, pay their electricity bill and any other things. You can just do these things for them by collecting money from them. Imagine that they are paying. If you want to buy the airtime or data from all these MTN, Glo and other things, okay, let me just go through to the buy data to give you this as an example on how you can start doing this. Okay, so you see, let me just come to the MTN here, say SME a plan. Then you see that 10 gig here is 2,800 naira, right? Alright guys, you see this is a 10 gig for 2,800 naira, and if you want to buy it on a MTN, okay, direct from MTN, you have to pay 3,500 naira to buy this data plan. Okay, now let's say you now have someone that say, okay, I want to buy this data plan. Then you told this person that, okay, I will give you 200 naira. Alright, so instead of buying the data for 3,500 naira, you will buy it for 3,300 naira. But you don't tell the person that you will get 5,000 naira from the money or 500 naira from the money. Okay, you don't need to tell that person. So you just say that you give that person 200 naira. You will do it for that person 3,300 naira. That means that you have your own 500 naira. Let's imagine that you have 10 people per day that pay for this airtime, you pay for this data subscription. Okay, that means that you have 5,000 naira like that per day. Imagine you now be consistent with this and start and doing it for 30 days. That means that you have 150,000 naira. But your concern now is that how will you get people to start paying you money for this and start making your own money? How will you get people every day to start making money? But don't worry, I will show you how you can start doing this and start making money for yourself. Don't worry. A lot of you will be saying that how are you going to make money with this platform, like making 150,000 naira? How are you going to get people every day to start paying you that money and get 150,000 naira in a month? It's easy. Okay, all what you need to do is to go to your social media page. Then you will see some flyers that I go through on the website. Then I will show you, this is the flyer here. You can screenshot it and edit it and start posting it on your social media page. If you don't know what to post, just go to chatgpt.com. Okay, then you ask for ChatGPT, how can I promote this and get people to buy data from me, or paying for subscription, or paying for electricity bills, and it will give you a lot of content that you can post and start getting money. Okay, so you don't need to do much to start making money from this platform by just creating content every day on your social media page, and people will come to you. You don't need to be start going to people that come and buy what I'm selling, come and buy what I'm selling. No, it's totally wrong. People will come to you and then pay you for your service. Okay, when they see that you are an authority, like you know what you are doing, all right, they will come to you and pay you money to start your business. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe And if you want anything that I should do for you, just type into the comment sections. Then I'll go through the comment section. I mean the comment section now self. So I will go through it and see what I can do for you with this particular website. If you're having an issue on how to get a customer to start making this money, I will create another video on how to start getting customers to start getting your own money for this website.